have a retail flooring store. I have been doing this for about 27 years now. Most of our business is all based on referral. We don't do a lot of advertising. We have a great location. What has been the most wonderful thing about MeasureSquare is usually it has been a problem because in doing these new homes or in doing remodels, people often want to get several different bids, maybe with a different carpet here, or maybe let's try wood there and then carpet over here. And so that's probably been one of the things that has been the most wonderful, is it's so easy to give people multiple bids quickly. And they can also see exactly where their seams are going to be. If they want to change the direction of their seams, we can change that very easily. It has sped up our process of being able to get bids to people quicker. We like to be able to measure and get to them at least by the next day. And when we're busy, that was almost impossible if we were having to figure out all our cuts on our own, and especially if there were multiple choices and people wanted 15 different bids. So it has been wonderful. We can get our bids to customers quickly, easily. I think they feel like we're more professional because we can give them accurate numbers, and we have loved it. It's just made everything so much faster. We close more sales.